This is your space, not for thinking, not for solving, not for being in control. This is for simply being. Sit comfortably, let your body rest. Eyes gently closed, hands resting. Let us begin. We'll begin with a gentle breath. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for just a moment. Now exhale softly through the right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let your shoulders drop. Now reverse. Inhale through the right nostril. Hold. Exhale through the left. This is Swarvigyan, breath science from ancient times, restoring rhythm to your body, mind, and energy. As you breathe, imagine the left side of your brain slowing down, letting go of thoughts and tasks, the right side softening, opening to silence and peace, and the midbrain, the quiet center, begins to glow like a warm sun, bringing everything into balance. Your vagus nerve gently activates. You feel safe, grounded, nothing to fix, nothing to do, only to rest. Now bring awareness to your spine. Imagine a soft golden light, rising gently. From the base of your spine, as it rises, it touches 7 centers of stillness. At the base, you feel stable. Below the navel, you feel ease. In the stomach, you feel steady. In the heart, you feel open. In the throat, you feel clear. Between the brows, you feel connected. Above the head, you feel expanded. Let this light keep rising, flowing through you, softening, clearing, balancing. Now, in this quiet, let yourself imagine the feeling of complete peace, not from outside, but from deep within. Visualize a place, real or imagined, where your mind feels still, where the air is light, where no one needs you and nothing demands you. In this space, you are whole, you are safe, you are allowed to breathe fully. Let this calm enter your breath. Let it anchor in your chest. Let it settle in your bones. Now slowly bring yourself back. Gently feel the ground beneath your feet, the breath in your lungs, the soft light around you. And somewhere in that stillness, a quiet strength begins to return. A strength that supports not just your role, but your being. Wiggle your fingers, move your shoulders, and when you are ready, open your eyes. This silence will walk with you even after the sound fades, like the sky after sunset, calm, open, whole. And whenever the world becomes too loud, remember you can always return here. Thank you.